son-in-laws, family and friends for coming here today all the way from UK and Hong Kong. At higit sa lahat ng mga kapamilya, mga kaibigan, mga kakilala na nagpunta rito para saksiyan ang magandang maligayang araw ng aking anak. Salamat sa inyo lahat.
To you, Wayne, I welcome you to my family. And I know that you will take care of my daughter. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much to the parents of our bride. Let me now invite the mother and the sister of the groom for the message to their newly wedded couple and of course to their family